Hi there guys, I'm coming back to you with another video, and this one is a review of some products that were sent to me by a company, and it says doubledipstore.com, and they sent me these products to review for them. And so let's get into the video. And it comes with this, and we'll get into that after a while. This is all their information and their social media platforms. And so I have opened the box, but I have not opened the products yet. I have not opened any of the products yet. So let's get into it. So now this came, and it has the instructions on how to use. It's a dip powder system, and as you know, I have not done any dip nails on my video on my channel, and so this will be a first for me. And what I'm going to do, since I've already got my nails done, I will not be dipping on these, but I will be dipping on my silicone hands. And so these are some little extra gifts that I received. This is a little, I think it's a little makeup bag, and I'm sure I'll find something to do with this. It is so cute, holographic. And it came with this little brush, like a makeup brush, but I may just use it for, I think right here we have our dip powders. Open these. Okay, here we go. This one, this is a dipping acrylic powder, and that is Go Getter or Goo Getter. This one is Atomic Orange 418. These are some nice neon colors. Oh, really? This one is 90s Baby. They are beautiful. So they sent me 3 colors. Okay, now let's see what's in here. Okay, oh, we have a lot of brushes. Ooh, here. It's got the double dip base. The dip base. This is the dip top, so I know that's the top coat. And this is number 3, the Activator. And this says number 5, which is the brush cleaner. And it gives you a lot of brushes. So I pretty much know how to do this. But I am going to go over the instructions because I've been watching. I'm very good at watching a lot of videos about things so I can learn how to do it. And this gives you the steps, and then they say apply a coat of the, which is the red, and then you're supposed to dip it into the color jar. The yellow one is the Activator, so maybe Activator. We will see, guys. All right, I'll be back for the next step. Okay, this is the first one that I'm going to do a demonstration of. I'm going to dip this one, and I know it looks kind of orange on the camera, but it is actually a beautiful bright pink color. And I'm going to use one of my flexi fingers to do the demonstration. And so, first we have the base, and we apply the base to the finger. And you have to apply the base very quickly because it's really like a glue. That's pretty much all it is. It's like a glue. Okay. And so you apply it to the nail. And then you can do like I'm doing. You can scoop it on because this is a little longer fingernail that I did. And you can scoop it on there like I'm doing. Or you can dip it. And then I just use the brush to brush off the excess. And then you apply another coat of the base. And then you scoop it on some more till you build up your nail according to what kind of nail you're using. And tap off the excess. And then I applied another coat of the base. And then you scoop on some more. Tap off the excess. And I just build it up. I did a few coats of the dip powder on this nail. And it turned out really nicely, guys. This is a really nice product. I think that I will try to use it as a acrylic. I'll try to apply it as an acrylic. I'm not going to do that in this video. Now you apply the activator, and this is what hardens the dip powder, and you can file it and everything. So it's very liquidy, so you just apply it to the nail and you let it sit for, they say 30 seconds. I let it sit a little bit longer than that, but you apply that to the nail and it hardens, and that way you can file. I will be doing all the filing off camera for this. And I just tapped it to see if it's hardened. Now I'll come in with the top coat in the blue bottle. After you make sure that the nail has dried, then you apply 2 coats of your top coat. Then I'll just let that dry before I apply the second coat of the top coat. Checking. And then now I'm applying the second coat of it. And then I'll let the nail sit and air dry. It's not anything that you put in a lamp. You have to let it air dry. Now you'll see me coming in with the lime green color, which is number 440, which is Go Getter. Or Goo Getter, which is a very vibrant color. And now you just repeat the process over again. You start with the red bottle, which is the base, and then you dip into the powder, then you do the activator, and then you let it sit and harden, and then you go again with the top coat. And you can apply as many layers as you feel necessary of the dip powder, and that's what I'm doing here. I apply about 3 layers for a good solid nail. I know this is a artificial nail here, but when you're doing it on your own hand, you want to build up an apex, which I did none of that in this video because I'm just trying to basically show how to apply the dip powder. Okay guys, this is their social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram, and you can go on there to see their products and their company. And they were also nice enough to give a discount that you guys can use, and you'll get a 25% off if you use the discount link, and I'll show it above. And they have a Facebook group called Secret Beauty Circle, where they do weekly $100 plus giveaways of their products. So check out their Facebook, guys, and sign up to get the $100 giveaway of their products. Okay guys, I really do enjoy this product. I think it's very nice. This is my first dip system that I've used, and I think it works very well. So guys, please go check these people out and get your discounts and everything, and join the Facebook group, and you may be a winner of $100 of their products. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and don't forget to comment, like, and share. All right, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.